Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus X541U. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing the issue where your Asus X541U only works when plugged in, you're likely dealing with a dead battery. This happens due to the battery's natural degradation over time, as it loses its ability to hold a charge. If left untreated, this can lead to further complications, including potential damage to your device's internal components. To perform this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Asus X541U. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back panel of your Asus X541U using the plastic prying tool. Gently insert the tool in the seams and work your way around to avoid cracking the casing. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery, which is typically situated in the center of the device. You'll notice it is secured by several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these, remembering to keep them in a safe place. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the battery is free, take your new battery and place it in the same position. Connect the battery cable back to the motherboard, ensuring it is snugly fit. Replace the screws to secure the battery in place, but avoid over-tightening them to prevent any damage. Now, carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your Asus X541U and check if it operates without being plugged in. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to charge fully and then discharging it completely a few times a month. Additionally, avoid leaving your laptop plugged in for extended periods, as this can also affect battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.